Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll be breaking down the plan-wise feature restrictions. Calilio offers two main billing options, monthly and annual, and several plan tiers designed to meet the needs of both individuals and teams. While the annual plan offers cost savings, the monthly plan gives you more flexibility, cancel or adjust your subscription anytime. But apart from billing differences, and functionalities are accessible to you. Here's a general overview of how feature access varies by plan. Has access to core calling features like the dialer pad, call box, and contact management. Limited access to analytics and reporting. You can add and save multiple caller IDs, but use only one at a time. Basic voicemail and transcription access. The standard plan is also the basic plan. Now, for the premium plan, you have full access to advanced analytics dashboards for viewing team and member performance, such as live calls in the dashboard view. Now, to let you know about why these restrictions exist, here is the answer. Plan-wise restrictions are designed to help users choose the right level of service based on their business scale and usage. For example, if you are a solo professional, the basic plan covers all essentials. But if you manage a sales team or call center, you'll benefit from the advanced reporting, team management, and analytic tools in the higher tiers. Now let's look at how you can upgrade your plan. To check your current plan or upgrade it, from the dashboard, go to Settings. Then, under the Billing section, click on Subscription. This shows you your subscription plan and also has the option to change plan, from where you can update it. So that's your quick overview of plan-wise feature restrictions in Calilio. Understanding these differences help you to make the most of your tools and scale your communication system as your team grows. For tutorials on features like team management, HP messaging, or analytics, make sure to check out our other videos in this Calilio series. If you need any help, our support team is available 24/7 via the live chat box. Thanks for watching.